Good afternoon, everyone. Tactical here. And today I was going to talk to you and share with you the top 5 security measures that I take to protect my computer. In an era of technology, it is imperative to safeguard our systems from malicious attacks and unauthorized access. The first security measure that I take is to install a reputable antivirus software, and that can be Norton Antivirus, Norton 360. There's plenty of them out there. Some of them are even free. And this helps to detect and remove any viruses, malware, or spyware that might infect my computer. It also ensures that my computer is protected in real time from new threats that may arise. The second measure that I take was to make sure I enable Firewall Protection. This prevents unauthorized access to my computer and ensures that my data is secure even when I am connected to the internet. The firewall also blocks unauthorized outgoing traffic, thus preventing any data from leaking out. Thirdly, I regularly update my operating system and applications. This ensures that my software stays secure with the latest security patches and keeps my computer safe from any vulnerabilities that may exist in the older versions. Usually a lot of people will put those off, but 90% of the updates that come out, especially with Apple, are a security update. So that's why you don't see too many viruses on Apple machines. The fourth security measure that I take is to use strong passwords. This reduces the likelihood of unauthorized access to my computer, thus keeping all my data safe. I also make sure to change my passwords periodically to keep them fresh and secure. Lastly, I back up my data regularly on an external hard drive or in cloud storage. I really do both. But this ensures that my data is not lost in case of a system crash, ransomware, malware attack, or theft. So, in conclusion, these are the top 5 security measures that I take to protect my computer. So by following these measures, I'm confident that your computer and data are secure from harm. And I appreciate y'all listening. If you like the video, please hit that like button, and also please subscribe.